Hey guys, welcome to another video about Robopost. This is a tutorial on setting up and using the collection feature. Collections are a great way to schedule and publish content consistently over a set period of time. If you have a set of posts that you want to share regularly, this feature is perfect for you. So, let's dive in and see how to create and manage collections. A collection is a feature that allows you to group your content and schedule it to be published automatically. Instead of manually posting each time, you can set up a collection and let Robopost handle the scheduling for you. You can also embed photos and videos directly into your collection posts, so they're ready to go whenever needed. Let's go through the setup process. To create a collection, open Collections page and click on New Post Collection there. Now you can give your collection a name and assign it a color to help keep things organized. Once that's done, click Add Collection to create an empty collection. Let's add some posts to your collection. Open the Posts page and select New Post. When you click Add to Collection, a window will pop up where you can choose the collection you want to add the post to. Once you've selected the right one, click Add to Collection. Now that you have your collection and some posts inside it, it's time to set it up for publishing. Go back to Posts Collections, click on your collection, and you'll see all the details. If you're ready to start posting from this collection, toggle on the option that says Regularly Post from the Collection. If you ever need to pause it, simply toggle it off. For your posting strategy, Robopost offers 3 different ways to schedule posts from your collection. If you select Random, posts are selected and published randomly from the collection. If you select In Order with Repeat, posts are published sequentially. Once the end of the collection is reached, it starts again from the beginning. Or if you select In Order without Repeat, posts are published in sequence, but once the end is reached, posting stops. For time zone, select your local time zone to ensure your posts are published at the correct time. Under Posting Interval, select how often you want your posts to be published. You can choose from several options, ranging from daily to yearly. If you select specific time slots, you'll be able to set exact times for each post to go out. Under Post until a specified date, set an end date for your collection if you'd like it to stop posting after a certain point. If you'd prefer not to post the same text repeatedly, enable Rephrase Posts with AI to have your posts automatically rephrased by AI. Once you've set everything up, click Update Collection, and Robopost will start posting from your collection automatically. If you ever need to remove a collection, just click the trash icon at the top right. Simple as that. And that's it. You now know how to create, manage, and schedule posts using collections in Robopost. If you'd like to review the details further, check out the documentation linked in the description or feel free to contact support. Thanks for watching and happy posting!